we're going to go through the process of logging onto and navigating the Caterpillar website for use and looking up engine specifications. So the first thing we want to do is we want to go to wyomingcat.com. Once the page loads, there is a login area here to the left. That's not the login we want. We want to go to Online Applications and click on Part Store. This will pull up the login area. I'm going to log in using the correct password. And these are case sensitive. Okay, let's try that again. Okay. Now that it has us to this screen, we have two different accesses we can use. We have the Parts Book sys here, or we can come down and use this tab. It will bring you to the Service Information System screen. We want to go to Access Methods, Advanced Full Text Search. Now it's got us at our Begin Search screen. So we are going to look up for an engine. We don't have a serial number at this time, so we're going to go by that manufacturer engine. It's a C-15. And we are going to look for some specifications for injector adjustment. So we want to come over to Testing and Adjusting and hit Search. It's showing us 220 results. We want to narrow this down, so we're going to use an on-highway engine. If you'll notice, there are two different drag bars. Take the inside bar, drag down, until we find Electronic Unit Injector Adjust. It gives you the tools needed, the rocker arm broken down into different components, including that tool and where it's located, and the procedure on cylinders. It can be adjusted, and the actual measurement. It also gives you the torque needed for the adjusting screw, lock nut. In order to look up another specification, we want to go to the top, go back to Advanced Full Text Search. We still have our C15. We still have Testing and Adjusting. So let's look up intake valves and search. Again, we have to narrow it down. have a section here, valve lash, inspect, and adjust. I'm going to drop down to the adjustment. It's going to tell us what cylinders can be adjusted in one position. And it's also going to give us intake and exhaust valve clearances. And that will cover how to log in and navigate the Caterpillar website.